topics and I am Anand Main. Has the Welcome on the bold topics and I am Anand Main. Has the mass base of Congress in Bihar really become a miss? The Congress party has started working in Bihar 10 months before the Bihar Assembly election. The reason behind working in Bihar is to strengthen the mass base of Congress in Bihar. For this, the Congress High Command appointed a Congress in charge in Bihar who is known for his strength in organizational capacity, and the state president of Congress was also changed before time, who was more close to the Rashtriya Janata Dal. In these 10 months of work in Bihar, Congress is also trying to see its roots from the statements and action of Congress. It was also speculated that Congress and RJD will contest the election separately in Bihar. Even when JP Nadda of NDA had a detailed discussion with his Bihar leaders about the Bihar Assembly elections, he gave the example of the Grand Alliance and said that if we are divided, we will lose, and if we remain united, we will win with more seats and votes than before. The Grand Alliance is also on this strategy. It is also made clear by the Congress that Jay will contest the election along with Tejasvi Yadav. But the reality is that the Congress in Bihar has started trying to regain its lost legacy. Kanhaiya Kumar advised giving any statements on RJD, while the statements of Congress in charge, Krishna Allaburu, are such that they go against the lead role of the Rashtriya Janata Dal. He has also formed a screening committee which will prepare the Congress report in Bihar and submit it to him. He has also told his workers that instead of going around the party office, they should go among the people and work. Only those candidates who are winnable will be fielded. This strategy has been very strong for the Bharatiya Janata Party. They do not hesitate to all in giving tickets to such candidates. Even if they have been abusing the BJP party of the entire last 5 years, under this strategy, they are also taking Nitish Kumar along, and he has also said that ticket distribution will be done on this strategy. Chirag Paswan turned out to be the best leader in the election, whose 4 MPs on the election. But amidst all these efforts, the question arises whether the mass base of Bihar has really been divided. Is the leader of Congress in Bihar really the leader of Rashtriya Janata Dal now? Because look, Congress itself is being divided into 2 parts on the leadership and CM phase of Tejasvi Yadav. Krishna Allaburu says that it will be decided under the leadership of Lalu Yadav, Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, that who will be the CM of Bihar, and he gives these statements when Lalu Yadav's statements come that the Mahagathbandhan government will be formed in Bihar under the leadership of Tejasvi. Congress has already talked about 2 deputy CMs, and Mukesh Sahni is also already staking claim for the post of deputy chief minister. In such a situation of confusion has arisen among the Mahagathbandhan. The picture of that result will Congress show in this election is not clearly yet, and it will become clear with time. But at present, there are differences between the workers and leaders of Congress, and this difference can become a danger for the party, and the situation is that wherever the position of the Congress party has become unstable, more or less the same situation is there. Firstly, the party will have to fight this challenge. There are people of RJD ideology and RJD supporters in the Congress party. First, they will have to deal with, and only when the path will be clear for the Congress. Because when someone is in the party, according to party dharma, everyone wants that someone from their party should be in the lead role, even if the decision is anything in view of the political condition and equation and circumstances. But that is not the heartfelt desire, and this heartfelt desire binds all the workers of the party in unity, and only then the party is in a position to perform well. But the in charge and state president own people. How they will overcome this challenge depends on the vision of both these leaders. But looking at the current situation, it is clear that the support base of the Congress has been divided, and the first challenge before the Congress is to establish unity in its party.